Kia ora everyone, I'm just wanting to take you through what I like to call the ePortfolio landscape. So the ePortfolio really acts as a hub between institution-owned software and the open web or web tools. So you can imagine that your ePortfolio sits in the middle, and things like YouTube can be embedded within the ePortfolio. Google Docs, OneDrive, display presentation tools like Prezi and SlideShare. And on the other side, there's some interaction with institution-owned software like Moodle. So assignments can be set within Moodle, and you can submit them from your ePortfolio. So this is kind of a two-way interaction. But if you see an artifact or a piece of evidence within Moodle as well, then you have the choice of sending it to your ePortfolio as well and displaying it within a web page. Now, Moodle itself is a course management system, and you'll eventually lose access to all the modules that you have in there, or to the institution itself when you leave. So the ePortfolio takes what's important from Moodle and allows you to save it in a space that you own and you operate and you make choices for. No one from the institution is going to make you do anything with your ePortfolio, but obviously if they set an assignment, then they're hoping that you'll submit it. Now, within a person's employment, an ePortfolio can be used for appraisal and promotion purposes. And so this is an institution-driven initiative. But the reason that you put all the information into the ePortfolio is because it's still linked to the outside world. So if you imagine a website like LinkedIn, or using digital badges as evidence of some of your achievements, accomplishments, and having an online CV, then you can still display what you've achieved and reflections, those types of things from your ePortfolio to perhaps prospective employers. So on this side we have the internet, which is filled with a wide variety of tools. We call these Web 2.0 tools, or the read-write web. And they're used for creation, sharing and communication. I've named a few already. And it allows you to link to social and professional networks for learning and promotion. So for example, you might belong to a Twitter or Facebook network around teaching and learning, or within your industry. This is where the stuff happens. So the creation tools are what you want to use from the internet, rather than creating things within the ePortfolio itself. For example, you might want to create a video to display in your ePortfolio. It might actually be a video submission for an assignment. Web 2.0 is really just open for any learning opportunity. I guess the main point of an ePortfolio that I want to get across is the opportunity it provides for the individual, and that's you, to record your lifelong and life-wide learning, because it's not tied to a single institution. Now, when I mean life-wide, an ePortfolio can be transferred because it's portable, say from early childhood through to primary school, intermediate, high school, tertiary education, and then you can keep using it within the workforce. Right, those are the main points for an ePortfolio and learning managed environments.